Alright, we're back again with another video of the Can-Am. So if you're like me and you got an early set of these Alba racing wheels, you see that cap? Well, when I got these wheels, they only offered that cap. And now they came out with a different one, which is this one, which goes more with the design of the wheel. So I contacted Alba because I saw these wheels with these caps on a different Can-Am and decided that these caps look a lot better than the ones I have. These caps were the ones I used to use, I believe, old Crusher wheels. So let's see, let's get these swapped out. And it's some Allen screw. So it's 4 screws I have to get loose right here. I couldn't find a smaller Allen wrench. This will have to do. Let's see if I can find a smaller Allen wrench. Alright, so we found one, a little smaller. Our rear tire, so you guys can see the comparison. So I'll let you guys be the judge. I didn't notice, but I'm gonna line these up so they match, because right now they're off a little bit. Alright, so there it is. Let me know what you guys think. I go with the new style. That style looks a lot better, especially if I ever powder coat these. It's gonna be legit. So that's what it looks like. I feel like it goes with the wheel a lot better. But this is probably the last video I'll upload this year. As always, thank you guys for watching. Thanks for all the support and all the comments and likes and shares. But yeah, this is it. I'll be out in Glamis for New Year's. If you guys see me out there, I'm friendly. Say what's up. I don't mind. But yeah, I'm always willing to ride if I catch you out there. And again, thank you guys. See you next year.